Are you tired of the daily grind, working long hours, and struggling to make ends meet? What if I told you there's a way to unlock a new world of online income with just one page? Imagine waking up to a notification on your phone that you've made $1,000 overnight. And then another notification that you've made another $1,000. And then another. This is the reality for thousands of people who have used one-page profits to create simple, one-page websites that generate massive profits. In today's fast-paced world, most of us are stuck in the rat race. We're trading time for money, and our dreams often take a back seat. Building a profitable online business seems daunting, and many people never get started. Most people think that making money online is difficult and complicated. They think they need to be a tech genius or a marketing expert. But that's not true. With one-page profits, anyone can create a simple, one-page website that generates massive profits. Even if you have no tech or marketing experience. You might have tried various online ventures, spent money on courses, and dabbled in complicated systems, only to end up overwhelmed, confused, and frustrated. It's like navigating a maze with no clear path to success. If you're tired of working hard for someone else and not getting paid what you're worth, then you need to check out one-page profits. One-page profits can help you create a financial future for yourself where you're in control. Where you can work from anywhere in the world, on your own schedule. But what if I told you there's a simple, proven system that can change your life? Introducing one-page profits, the revolutionary method that lets you build a profitable online business using just one page. One-page profits is a simple, step-by-step system that shows you how to create a one-page website that generates massive profits. Even if you have no tech or marketing experience, you can follow the simple steps in one-page profits to create a website that will start making you money right away. Most people think online business requires complex funnels, endless content, and months of waiting for results. It's no wonder they get discouraged and quit before they see any real income. Imagine the frustration of putting in months of effort and seeing little to no return. Your dreams of financial freedom remain distant, and you're stuck in the same old routine. With one-page profits, you can kiss complexity goodbye. This system is designed for everyday people who want extraordinary results. It's the simplest, most effective way to start an online business. Don't let the opportunity pass you by. Click the link on the description area below to learn more about one-page profits and start your journey towards financial freedom today.